Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak English Easy with Podcast.
Hi, we are so happy you are here with us today.
I am John.
And I am Olivia.
Today, we talk about weekends.
Yes, we talk about what we do on the weekend.
This is a great topic for beginners.
You can learn many useful words today.
Words like go, stay, watch, cook, and rest.
These are simple and important words.
So, let's start.
Let's go.
First, let's talk about weekdays.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. These are weekdays.
We work or study on weekdays.
Saturday and Sunday, these are the weekend.
Many people do not work on the weekend.
They relax, they rest, they spend time with family.
The weekend is a happy time for many people.
Yes, I love the weekend.
Me too. It is my favorite time of the week.
So, John, what do you do on the weekend?
Good question. I will tell you in a moment.
And listeners, think about your weekend too.
What do you do on Saturday and Sunday?
Keep listening. You will learn how to talk about your weekend in English.
Okay, Olivia, tell me about your weekend.
Sure. On Saturday morning, I wake up late.
Oh, nice. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 9 o'clock.
That is late. I wake up at 7.
7 o'clock? That is early for a weekend.
I like the morning. It is quiet and peaceful.
I understand, but I love to sleep on Saturday.
Ha! Okay, so you wake up at 9. Then what?
I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit too.
That sounds good. I like eggs too.
Breakfast is my favorite meal on the weekend.
I agree. Weekend breakfast is special. After breakfast, I drink coffee.
Just coffee?
Yes, I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. Coffee is wonderful.
Then I sit and read.
Oh, what do you read?
I read books. I like simple English books.
That is great for English learners too. Reading helps a lot.
Yes, it is true. Reading every day is very helpful.
So, you wake up, eat breakfast, drink coffee, and read. That is a calm morning.
Yes, I love a calm morning.
What do you do in the afternoon on Saturday?
In the afternoon, I go outside.
Where do you go?
I go to the park.
Oh, I like the park too. Is the park near your home?
Yes, it is about 10 minutes by walk.
That is close. Very nice.
I walk for 1 hour in the park.
Walking is very good for your health.
Yes, I walk and listen to music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music. It makes me happy.
I like pop music too. It is fun and easy to listen to.
After walking, I go home. I feel good.
Exercise gives you energy.
Yes, I feel strong and happy after walking.
What about Saturday evening?
In the evening, I cook dinner.
Oh, you cook? That is great.
Yes, I like to cook on weekends. I have more time.
What do you cook?
Sometimes I cook pasta. Sometimes I cook soup.
Pasta is my favorite.
It is easy to make and very delicious.
Do you cook for yourself or for other people?
Sometimes I cook for my friends. They come to my home.
Oh, that is lovely. You eat together?
Yes, we eat together and talk. It is a great time.
That sounds wonderful.
After dinner, we watch a movie.
What kind of movies do you watch?
We watch funny movies, comedy movies.
I love comedy. It makes me laugh.
Yes, laughing is the best.
What time do you go to sleep on Saturday?
I go to sleep at 11 o'clock, or maybe midnight.
Oh, that is late.
Yes, but it's the weekend. No work tomorrow.
That is true. The weekend is for relaxing.
Okay, listeners, let's stop for a moment.
We want to check some words from this conversation.
These are important words. Let's repeat them together. The first word is wake up.
Wake up. To stop sleeping. To open your eyes in the morning.
I wake up at 9 o'clock.
Say it with me. Wake up. Wake up.
Good. The next word is breakfast.
Breakfast. The first meal of the day.
I eat eggs for breakfast.
Breakfast. Say it. Breakfast.
The next word is walk.
Walk. To go on foot. Not run. Walk.
I walk in the park.
Walk. Say it. Walk.
The next word is cook.
Cook. To make food with heat. To prepare a meal.
I cook pasta on Saturday.
Cook. Say it. Cook.
The last word in this part is relax.
Relax. To rest. To feel calm. To stop working.
I relax on the weekend.
Relax. Say it. Relax.
Great job, everyone.
You are doing very well. Keep listening.
Okay, now Olivia, tell me about your weekend.
Sure, my weekend is a little different from yours.
How is it different?
I wake up early at 7 o'clock, even on Saturday.
Wow, that is different.
I like the morning. It is quiet. I can think clearly.
What do you do in the morning?
I go for a run.
Oh, you run in the morning?
Yes, I run for 30 minutes.
Every Saturday?
Every Saturday and Sunday.
That is very healthy.
Yes, running makes me feel great.
How far do you run?
I run about 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers. That is good.
After running, I come home and take a shower.
Of course, you need a shower after running.
Yes, of course.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat yogurt and fruit, and I drink orange juice.
That sounds very healthy.
I try to eat healthy on weekends. During the week, I am busy. I don't always eat well.
I understand. It is hard to cook every day.
Yes, so on weekends, I eat good food.
What do you do in the morning after breakfast?
I clean my home.
Oh, you clean on Saturday morning?
Yes, I clean every Saturday. It is my routine.
You are very organized.
Thank you. I like a clean home.
Me too, but I don't always clean on the weekend.
You should clean more, John.
Maybe you're right.
After cleaning, I go shopping.
Grocery shopping?
Yes, I buy food for the week.
That is smart. Do you go to a big supermarket?
Yes, there is a big supermarket near my home.
What do you buy?
I buy vegetables, fruit, bread, milk, and eggs.
Those are important things to have at home.
Yes, I always buy fresh vegetables.
Do you go shopping alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with my sister.
Oh, you have a sister?
Yes, one sister. Her name is Emma.
That is a nice name.
Thank you. Emma lives near me, so we meet on weekends.
That is wonderful. Family time is important.
Yes, I love spending time with my sister.
What do you do together?
We go to a cafe. We drink coffee and talk.
What do you talk about?
Everything. Work, life, friends, plans.
That sounds like a great time.
It is. I always feel happy after time with my sister.
Do you go anywhere else on Saturday?
Sometimes we go to a bookshop.
A bookshop. You love books too?
Yes, I love books. I buy 1 or 2 books every month.
What kind of books do you like?
I like stories, novels, simple stories, not too long.
That is good for English learners too, reading simple stories.
Yes, exactly. Reading helps your vocabulary.
And your grammar too.
That is true. Reading is very important.
Okay, now let's talk about Sunday.
Sunday is my rest day.
Oh, so you rest on Sunday?
Yes, Sunday is more quiet for me.
What do you do on Sunday morning?
I sleep a little longer, maybe until 8 o'clock.
For you, 8 o'clock is sleeping in.
Yes, that is true.
What do you do after you wake up?
I make a big breakfast, a special Sunday breakfast.
What do you make?
I make pancakes.
Oh, pancakes are delicious.
Yes, I love making pancakes on Sunday.
Do you make them with syrup?
Yes, pancakes with honey and fruit.
That sounds amazing. I'm hungry now.
Come to my home on Sunday, John.
I will.
After breakfast, I stay home. I watch TV or read.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch travel shows. I love watching shows about different countries.
Oh, that is interesting.
Yes, I like to learn about different places.
Do you want to travel?
Yes, very much. I want to visit many countries.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan and Italy and Brazil.
Those are great places.
Where do you want to travel, John?
I want to go to Australia.
Oh, why Australia?
Because it is so different. Big nature, kangaroos.
Kangaroos. Yes, that is a good reason.
And the beaches in Australia are beautiful.
That is true. Maybe one day we can go together.
That would be great.
What do you do on Sunday, John?
On Sunday, I usually see my family.
Oh, your parents?
Yes, I go to my parents' home for lunch.
That is so nice. Do you eat lunch together?
Yes, my mom cooks a big lunch every Sunday.
What does your mom cook?
She cooks traditional food, soup, rice, chicken.
That sounds homemade and delicious.
It is the best food. Homemade food is always the best.
I agree. Do the rest of your family come too?
Yes, my sister and brother come too. We all eat together.
Family lunch on Sunday. That is a beautiful tradition.
Yes, I do not miss it. Every Sunday I am there.
That is wonderful, John.
After lunch, we talk, drink tea, and relax.
That sounds perfect.
In the evening, I go home. I prepare for the week.
What do you prepare?
I choose my clothes. I check my plan for Monday.
Oh, that is smart. You plan ahead.
Yes, if I plan on Sunday evening, Monday is easier.
Great idea. I do that too sometimes.
It helps a lot.
Okay, listeners, now let's practice some useful phrases.
These phrases are great for talking about your weekend.
You can use them in real conversations.
The first phrase is, I had a great weekend.
I had a great weekend. Say it. I had a great weekend.
The next phrase is, I stayed home and relaxed.
I stayed home and relaxed. This means you did not go out. You rested at home.
Say it. I stayed home and relaxed.
The next phrase is, I went to the park.
I went to the park. Went is the past tense of go.
I went to... You can finish this sentence with any place.
I went to the supermarket. I went to the cafe. I went to the beach.
Great! Now the next phrase. I spent time with my family.
I spent time with my family. Spent is the past tense of spend.
Spending time with family is very important.
Say it. I spent time with my family.
Another phrase. I watched a movie at home.
I watched a movie at home. Watched is the past tense of watch.
I watched a movie. I watched TV. I watched a show.
Say it. I watched a movie at home.
The last phrase is, I cooked a delicious meal.
I cooked a delicious meal. Cooked is the past tense of cook.
Delicious means very, very good, very tasty.
Say it. I cooked a delicious meal.
Great job, everyone. You learned 6 very useful phrases today.
Practice them at home. Say them every day.
The more you practice, the better you get.
Now, let's practice speaking.
We will ask you some questions. Try to answer them in English.
Speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Ready? Here is the first question.
What time do you wake up on the weekend?
Think of your answer. Do you wake up early or late?
Maybe you say, I wake up at 8 o'clock, or I wake up late, maybe 10 o'clock.
Good. Next question.
What do you eat for breakfast on the weekend?
Think. Do you eat eggs, fruit, bread, cereal?
You can say, I eat eggs and bread, or I eat fruit and yogurt.
Great. Next question.
Do you go out or stay home on the weekend?
Think. Do you go to the park, to a cafe, or do you stay home and relax?
You can say, I go out, I go to the park, or I stay home and watch TV.
Wonderful. Last question.
Who do you spend time with on the weekend?
Think. Your family, your friends, alone?
You can say, I spend time with my family, or I meet my friends, or I am alone, I enjoy quiet time.
There are no wrong answers. Just speak.
And practice every day. Every day is a chance to improve.
Okay, we are almost at the end of today's episode.
We talked about weekends today.
We learned what John does on the weekend.
And we learned what Olivia does too.
We also learned important words like wake up, breakfast, walk, cook, and relax.
And we learned useful phrases for talking about your weekend.
Phrases like I had a great weekend, I stayed home and relaxed, I went to the park.
These are great for everyday English conversations.
Now, I have a question for you, our listener.
What do you do on the weekend? Tell us.
You can write it down in English. Practice writing, too.
Or say it out loud. Practice speaking.
The most important thing is to keep practicing.
English gets easier every day when you practice.
Okay, we are almost at the end of today's episode.
We talked about weekends today.
We learned what John does on the weekend.
And we learned what Olivia does too.
We also learned important words like wake up, breakfast, walk, cook, and relax.
And we learned useful phrases for talking about your weekend.
Phrases like I had a great weekend, I stayed home and relaxed, I went to the park.
These are great for everyday English conversations.
Now, I have a question for you, our listener.
What do you do on the weekend? Tell us.
You can write it down in English. Practice writing, too.
Or say it out loud. Practice speaking.
The most important thing is to keep practicing.
English gets easier every day when you practice.
Okay, thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends.
And come back for our next episode.
There are more great topics coming very soon.
Until next time, keep learning.
Keep practicing.
And keep speaking English.
Goodbye, everyone.